Mano mabende kwedo piny owacho e bura mano mamalo ne obedo kod pogruok odiochieng' mano makawuono e sach twak ewi paro mano mar Chik Omenda 2026 kane otelnegi kod jatend kweth mano mathoth e bura mamalo Kithure Kimani Ichung'wah. Jod go ne okoni paro mano mar chikno ok ochuogo osuru manyien ka bende gikwedo kweth mano ma obalo nigi dwaro mar mondo mi giroch pach oganda jo Kenya e pacho kae.
We disagree with the National Treasury on payment of tax upon activation. So the status quo on how funds are charged remains, and we urge now that there be systems in place to make sure that mobile phones that are imported into the country without paying the required taxes, they administratively find a way of capturing those instead of burdening the taxpayer with extra responsibilities. Number two, on the issue of Mitumba, we have had extensive public participation, and we want to guarantee the members of the public that there is no any imposed taxation on Mitumba.
It is true they want to zero rate the issue of Mutumba, but what they are not telling you is that they want now the VAT that people who trade in that business have been claiming, they will not be able to claim. That is the direct increment to the issue of Mutumba. And lastly, let me say the National Assembly is a place of debate. Why end a debate under Standing Order 95 that you do not want us to debate any further? You want us to vote. We came to Bunge to debate.